Hello everyone, this is Preeti Nehru. I worked in Tactus for around 4 wonderful years from 2015 to 2019 as a server administrator. I feel highly privileged to share my views and experience at Tactus. Well, my IT career started in Chennai HCL. I worked there for 2 years. Then after 2 years, I got married and got settled in Chidambaram. And I did my master's in Annamalai University for 2 years since I don't wanted to have a break in my career. So I studied and I was looking for a job after my studies. It was then I found Tactus, an IT company in Chidambaram. So I was very excited and I immediately posted my resume, got interviewed by Mr. A.R. Ganesan sir and got selected. Tactus gave me an opportunity to work in different fields and different roles. I was able to learn different technologies and different platforms. It was a knowledge gaining phase in my career and I learned a lot from Tactus, and I'm really thankful to Tactus for all that Tactus has taught me so far. What I like most about Tactus is that it motivates its employees to think differently, think innovatively, creatively, and as a result, the employees at Tactus think out of box and give amazing outcomes. And that is why we have a curated selection of employees at Tactus. So, employees at Tactus are recognized for their good work and are motivated to bring best out of them. As far as work culture was concerned, it maintained standard and we all followed work ethics. Another factor which I would like to appreciate about Tactus is that it provided us the work-life balance, which was very much required for any IT person in IT industry. One of the most unforgettable moments I would say was the Fun Friday team outing, then celebration, birthday party celebration, then anniversary celebration. It was really fun at Tactus. We had really great memories with all the team members at Tactus. We enjoyed a lot at Tactus. So it was apart from work, we concentrated on fun part too. Tactus never failed to impress its client with its outstanding performance and outcome. We always have a wonderful relationship with our clients. Client satisfaction was our foremost priority and we strive to attain at any cost. Our MD Mr. A.R. Ganesan sir, such an inspiring person I have ever met in my life. I admire him so much, and despite of several challenges in his life, he was able to overcome all those and is heading towards success. I wish all the very best to Tactus and its team. May it touch the sky with glory. Thank you all and stay safe.